guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool loading bar video effect on CapCut PC. So you are just going to select any video that you want. Okay, maybe like I'll search for it in my local library. Let's go with like this one, just an example, and then add in a white stock video. If your video isn't long enough, just freeze frame it and delete the rest. I'm just going to put it like down here so there's like just a line, like a really small line. I'm just also going to copy this position so that I can do it for the red image that we're going to have. Just going to rotate it and I'm going to resize that. Then I'm going to position it here so it's the same. Go to mask and select the split, and we're going to split it this way. Add a keyframe and we're going to then move it to the end of the video, like so. Okay, I did not add a keyframe there. Sorry, my bad. Okay, and then here we can move this to the right. And as you can see, we have this like YouTube loading bar on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!